Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on where you are connecting with us. A beautiful life in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Trust me, Engineer Sego got you covered 100%. This beautiful project, as you can see, the client contacted me. Then the first day I go to the site with them. We make an arrangement. We start clearing the site, as you can see. After clearing the site, then I submit a estimate for the client. Then we started bought our materials. That's our 12 TNT, standard 12 and 8 rod. Then we start making arrangements for the materials. As you can see, we already mowed our 6 inches block on ground. So thanks for the people connected with JIO Building Construction. We do more appreciate you guys. My name still remain Engineer Sego, CEO JIO Building Construction Nigeria Limited. As you can see, we are molding up block. Then the foundation, it was quite long time, as you can see. So the feeling of the foundation already press go down. Then I tell the client, let's bought a filling sand. Then we need to top the filling. So as you can see, we start leveling the foundation of the house. After completing the foundation of the house, after completing the filling, then we start taking level for the filling. After taking level of the filling, then we put water. We make sure that the filling sits well. Then they attach with the former filling work they are already done for the foundation. Then I noticed that this foundation pillar is not long come out, like at least foundation DPC pillar. After completing of the foundation, the iron supposed to come out like 450 means 18 inches height or 2 feet height. Then I told the client that we are going to chisel 1 foot down for the block. Then we do that. After doing that, then we make sure that we chiseling 1 foot block down. Then we attach our pillar. Then we stand all the pillar to the decking direct. As you can see, that's the wood I want to use for the bottling of the surroundings of the foundation level. Then we do the rammering of the foundation. After completing of the foundation rammering, then we bought the surroundings of the German floor. Then we spread our waterproof nylon. As you can see, we stand the pillar because we have already joined the pillar, so that it will make the pillar the standard. We position the pillar, then we cast our German floor so that it will make the pillar the attached. As you can see, the work is progressing by JIO Building Construction. We do appreciate the clients contacted us for this beautiful project, standard 5-bedroom duplex. We also have our BQ and beautiful security post. As you can see, we make sure that we deliver the work for the client in time so that we can still achieve more to do. So after completing the casting of the main house, then along the line we started make sure that all the casting dey solid and standard. Then we move, after completing of the casting of the main house, then we make plan for the boys cutter. The boys cutter did not have pillar before. Then I make sure that we position pillar for the boys cutter and the security house, so that everything can have a own pillar to make the house dey standard. So as you can see, the German floor is complete. This is the boys cutter we make sure that we position pillar for the edges and the inner wall. So as you can see, so after completing the box cutter casting, then the main building casting completed, then we pour the security house, that the security post casting. The casting also completed for the Jama floor. Trust me, JIO building construction got you covered. We work all states in Nigeria, all local government, all community. So the day we completed the Jama floor of the house, both the main house, the box cutter and the security post, we complete the Jama floor. Then the second day we started positioning our block, so we want to do forming. Then you can see this veranda of this house that we are resetting now, because for the foundation before, the veranda of this house is too low than the entrance. Due to the what is in the plan, the veranda they can still park a car. So but I told the client, even though they want to park a car for the veranda, we can still make an adjustment because they never fill the compound. Because if you take that level for the car garage, by the time they fill the compound, everything will enter to nothing. You understand? So we decided to raise one coach height for the veranda. After completing the one coach height, we level the veranda, we do the Jama floor as well. As you can see, the block setting is progressing by JIO building construction. Engineer Sego got you covered 100%. So as you can see, the block setting is going with standard 5-bedroom duplex with two staircase area with void parlor. So we make sure that we deliver the work for the client in time. As you can see, the client is not around, but we deliver for the client. We work all states in Nigeria, make sure that we deliver for our client. Then our service, trust me, JIO building construction got you covered. As you can see, the veranda, we have already taken level of the casting level we want to take for the veranda casting. So the block setting is proceeding by JIO building construction. So as you can see, the veranda already complete. That's the security post. We are about to do the forming of the security house and the box cutter. As you can see, the veranda have come out well. So we take the setting of the building to lintel level. As you can see, all the pillar will stand direct to the decking stage. The work is progressing by JIO building construction. As you can see, we have enough block on ground because the client I told the client to mold 6,000 block to raise the 3 building up to decking stage. As you can see, the veranda come out well. By the time we fill the compound, it will give result of the car garage, so that car go fit have access to park well and position. So trust me, JIO building construction got you covered. That's the box cutter. So we are about to form the box cutter out. Then we have big 2 pillar base at the frontage of the building. So the main house already complete to lintel level. So we are taking the work step by step. That's me behind the video, CEO JIO building construction Nigeria Limited. We got you covered 100%. We work all states in Nigeria, all local governments, all community. Let's know your location. we deliver for you ASAP. As you can see, the security house. So like me, all my work I done. As far we completed the work to the lintel stage, then I told my guys we scrape everywhere to make sure that when people enter the building walking in the inside of the house, so they won't make complaint that maybe nail shook them for leg or wood injured them. So we scrape everywhere before we start our linted work. Let me take you around and see the beautiful work we deliver for the client. From the sit out, we enter the ante room. That's the ante room. Then from the ante room, this is the main parlor. We have void parlor here. That's the dining area. That's the dining big enough. The house big well. So from the ante room, you can have access to the visitors room. That's one of the room down. That's the visitors room. From the visitors room, you have access to the toilet. That's the toilet of the house. That's the toilet. Then from the ante room, you have access to the passage. That's one staircase area. Then from the passage, you have access to the laundry room. This is the laundry room to wash your clothes, to iron your clothes. That's the veranda for the laundry room. So from the laundry room, you have access back to the passage. Then this is the second staircase opposite the laundry room. That's the dining to the parlor. So as you can see, trust me, Engineer Sego got you covered for your projects. We are available for you anytime, any day. So that's the bancoli for the kitchen. This is the kitchen area. Then the kitchen also have a big store. As the store for the kitchen. So from the store you have access to the kitchen lobby. From the lobby you have access to the main lobby. That's the second room for downstairs. Then we have our master toilet here for the down. We have 2 rooms down, 3 rooms up. A beautiful standard 5-bedroom duplex. It's a client choice, not yours. As you can see, that's the 2 pillar straight to the roofing stage. So let me take you to the boys quarter. We have a beautiful structure for the boys quarter. The land is 100 by 100 where we position standard 5-bedroom duplex with boys quarter and the security house. Then enough space we have for the car park. That's the boys quarter from the entrance to the parlor. That's the kitchen for the boys quarter. Then the room for the boys quarter, just a room self-contained. That's the toilet for the room. Standard, a room self-contained for the boys quarter. We call it BQ. As you can see. So trust me, Engineer Sego got you covered. CEO JIO Building Construction. We are live in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. We work all states, all local governments, all area. As far we have a conclusion for your work, we deliver for you in time. So you can see the beautiful work we deliver for the clients. What are you waiting for? Contact JIO for your project. We secure your property for you. We bought a property for you. We build your property. We design your structure. We deliver for you. So after showing you guys the beautiful project we deliver for the clients, so we started doing our linted body. As you can see, our materials already set on ground. Then my carpenter already started boarding. Then the iron bender We already started boarding of the linted wall. So as you can see, the work is progressing by JIO Building Construction Nigeria Limited. So for the first stage of this video, you can see that we bought a 30 tons of granite. Then along the line, we later bought a granite to make sure that the casting of the house completed. Then we can still have maybe some few materials on ground. As you can see, the linted boarding, we start taking the level from the back. We start taking the level from the back to the front so that the level of the casting can be accurate, equal. As you can see, the linted boarding is progressing by JIO Building Construction. As you can see, the work is progressing by JIO Building Construction. So I think the boarding of this linted take like 2, 3 days, 4 days. Yeah, we use like 4 days to do the boarding of the linted. So after completing some parts, then we position our iron rod. Then we start our casting of the linted. As you can see, the work is progressing by JIO Building Construction. We're positioning our rod, then we started casting of the linted. Like I said, we plan against your project, we design your project, we build your project, we deliver your project. Trust me, JIO Building Construction got you covered. We are not perfect, but we try for our service. We do our possible best to make sure that we execute your project for you. So the casting of the linted going well. As you can see, like I said, I save cost for the clients to make sure that okay, we buy a board that we complete some parts. Then when we casted that place, we can transfer the board to another part. As you can see, the work is perfect done. As you can see, the casting of the house is completing. So we don't manage material for the clients. As you can see, the casting we deliver for these clients live and direct in Benin City. That's the security house. We are about to board the security post. Then these 2 pillar base for this frontage of the house, we make sure that we put concrete. We pour concrete for in the inside so that the pillar can be strong. In case something hits the pillar, as you can see, we channel the iron. We bring out the 4 iron come out from the ground to make sure that the pillar dey standard. That's the void parlor side. As you can see, the way we separate the window, that's the window to roofing stage. So after completing the casting, then we started taking level of the building. We take the level of this house 3 coach height. 3 coach height. Then the beam of the decking will make it complete 4 coach height, so that it will make the house dey standard. By the time they do POP for the house, it will reduce the measurement height of the building. So that is why we put 3 coach height, to make sure that the house dey standard. As you can see, the level work is progressing. Thanks for the client. Contact JIO Building Construction for the project. We do appreciate you. One love, keep us together. So JIO Building Construction live in Benin City. You can send all your location. We deliver all nations in Nigeria. We are available for your service. Trust me. So the work is completed right now. With the top level is completed for the house. As you can see, we make sure that we mold the block that we wish for the work, that we even have enough block on ground. As you can see, after completing the level of the house again, casting, the inside will be stained. Then we also maintain the inside. We maintain everywhere so that all the inside everywhere will look mature. Then we also maintain the surroundings of the house. We arrange all the broken block we have. We arrange everything outside. Then some of wood we use that's already turned to pieces, we arrange everything to one side so that some of this wood can still be used for decking. So that is why we arrange everything for inside. As you can see, everywhere already scrape. We scrape everywhere. We make sure that all the inside wall, everything dey perfect. Trust me, JIO Building Construction got you covered for your project. We are live in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. My name still remains Engineer Sego, CEO, JIO Building Construction, Nigeria Limited. May the Lord bless each and everyone connected with JIO Building Construction. Please, if it's the first time for you to connect with us, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. As you can see, we deliver the work for the clients. As you can see, the height of the building. Then the inside, we make sure that we maintain everywhere for the inside. So JIO Building Construction got you covered for your project. One love, keep us together. We appreciate you guys for calling JIO Building Construction for your project. We are live in Benin City, Edo State. As you can see, that's the kitchen area. Then the kitchen also have a big backyard. That's the kitchen store. See the work, see the inside, the way we maintain the ground for the clients. Now God will reward us. Yes, God will reward all of us. As you can see, you can give us your design. We can build for you. We can also design for you as well. JIO Building Construction got you covered for your project. We are live in Benin City, Edo State. Trust me, we deliver the work, this security house and the main house and the boss cutter, everything to decking stage. You see the stage we pick this project, we deliver it for the client. The stage we pick it from the grass to grace, we deliver it live in Benin City. Let your own project be our next project. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your call. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the like. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. JIO Building Construction got you covered. One love, keep us together. We do appreciate you guys. Thanks so much.